Hey, this is Mel with We Can Code It, and I'm talking to you about power or input sources for Redstone in Minecraft. So what I'm focusing on right now are daylight sensors, which I just love. I just love them because they seem so simple, but they can do so many cool things. Right? I'm not going to go into all the cool things they can do. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about their basics right now. So, daylight sensors can be found in your inventory. Go ahead and search items, and you can just type in daylight sensors. You'll see it right here. Pull it down. I'm going to put it in my first slot right here and escape out. And then since I put it in my first slot, I'm going to hit the number 1 key on my keyboard to select it. Now to place it, I just right click. I've already placed one right there. What you've noticed already is that it is daylight, and the sensor is picking up that daylight, therefore it is on, and is providing power to this redstone dust right next to it. Let's see about where this is going. Okay, great. How many blocks away will it power? It won't power that one, right? Okay, so with this redstone dust, we can create a circuit to this output mechanism, which is a redstone lamp in this case. Some of the differences between daylight sensors and some other blocks are that it doesn't push the power through an opaque block like this block of sand right here. See, that redstone dust isn't lighting up. So let's do something else here. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to turn this into a nighttime sensor quickly using something called a NOT gate. And you can learn more about NOT gates in other tutorials of ours. But all I'm doing is placing an opaque block here next to my redstone. And I'm going to place a torch on the side of it. This negates the signal. Therefore, when it is evening, there we go, you'll see the sensor is acting as we'd like it. We'd like the light to turn on at night, the lamp to turn on at night. So it's negating, using this NOT gate, we're negating the daylight sensor. It's saying it's not day, therefore turn on. Okay, let's turn it back to daytime. Alright, let's back up here. I'm going to show you some other things. Let's put a block of sand down, and let's put a daylight sensor right on top of it. You'll notice that, like I showed you before, it is not powering this redstone dust. What if I put a lamp directly on it? There we go. If we place a lamp, or any other output really, right next to a daylight sensor, it will activate that output component. The daylight sensor will activate our component like a lamp. So those are some useful handy hints about daylight sensors, and in our series about Minecraft redstone input, output, and transmission components to make circuits. Hope you enjoyed it.